your body may be sending you signals that you need to take a break from alcohol. It may be time to detox alcohol from your body if you are feeling run down and tired, having digestive problems, or experiencing achy muscles. If you drink and party regularly and have any of these symptoms, a simple alcohol detox may be for you. With repeated or long-term use, alcohol can cause liver and kidney problems, addiction, and weight gain. While drinking and partying often seem harmless, ingesting alcohol on a regular basis can lead to the buildup of toxins and sugars, and eventually to alcoholism, or addiction to alcohol. Overuse and dependence on alcohol can have serious health risks as well. However, most of us don't have a serious problem and use alcohol socially. Even so, what can we do to limit the long-term effects of alcohol usage? In its simplest form, an alcohol detoxification program simply involves abstaining from alcohol for a period of time, and allowing the body to eliminate all traces of the substance from the tissues and bloodstream. Most healthcare professionals recommend at least 1 to 4 weeks of no alcohol. However, if you are a heavy drinker, or suspect that you may be an alcoholic, cutting back, or switching from hard liquor to wine for the first few days, or a week may be easier for you to handle. Many people who have developed a dependence on alcohol will experience uncomfortable withdrawal symptoms, like sweating, trembling, and an almost overwhelming craving for alcohol. Allowing your body a vacation from drinking may eventually lead to healthier habits, as you experience increased energy and vitality after your body begins to recover. During this period, take the chance to also do a colon, liver, and kidney cleanse. Many report an increase in energy, sexual drive and function, and a decrease of appetite after the detox period. Allow your body to recover and rest. Take a break from alcohol for a month, and you may be surprised at how great you feel.